Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very easy chocolate ganache recipe which you can use to decorate your cakes. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, please click the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification of the future recipes. So let's start with the recipe. For this recipe, I'll be using half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and half cup of sugar. You can take any form of sugar which you like. To this, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of cornflour and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Vanilla essence always enhances the taste of chocolate. To this, I'll be adding half cup of milk and I'll be dissolving all the lumps and try to make a smooth paste of all the ingredients which you have. And then add the remaining half cup of the milk. So totally I have used 1 cup of milk for this recipe. And then you can transfer the vessel to your stove. Here I am heating this in a low flame and keep stirring continuously so that there is no lump formed. And once you keep stirring, you will get smooth glossy mixture like this. And you can notice the bubbles have started popping up. That means our chocolate ganache is almost ready, and we need the chocolate ganache in this consistency only, because when it cools down it thickens a little more. Now off the flame and make sure you're doing the entire procedure in low flame only. To this I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of butter and then mix it gently. Now I have off the flame and the butter is melting in the heat of the chocolate sauce. So now we can transfer our chocolate ganache to the bowl. And you can see it's so easy to make a glossy chocolate ganache. And we can use this ganache for decorating the cake. I hope you like this simple recipe of chocolate ganache to decorate your cakes and cupcakes. And if you have liked the recipe, do hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. And bye till we meet next time.